The following video contains scenes that is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall. Now this is an update about a video that is circulating on social media, and this video shows about an incident that had happened between a man and a female that is said to be a prostitute. This incident said to have happened at a place that is called Barefoot Guest House, and it is said that this man paid for a service that he did not receive or did not get. Now, I have an audio of an interview that is put out there on social media of this man explaining what had happened between him and the female that is said to be a prostitute. And this audio is like bits and pieces put together, and it's a very short one, but it will give you an idea of what he's trying to explain, that what had happened that day. And I also have a video that is somewhat closer to the beginning of this incident that had said to have happened. Some people on social media says that he's telling a lie, some says that he's telling the truth. However, I am about to play both the audio and the video for you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can think for yourself. And I'm going to start with the audio first. Now, this is a warning from right here on in this video that what you are about to hear and see in this video, it is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Observe.
What go down, you know. Me study about me buy pussy, me think about pussy, me do everything about pussy. You understand what I mean? I say, you know, say yesterday me want go circle one of the girl them, you hear me? Going, me give the girl $2,000 for pay the fee for the place, right? For the room. She said she want a condom, a $1,000 for the condom. I know me not get no cheer. The girl don't want me satisfy. Me turn her back way and I give her the 7-head dragon. 7 dragon, 7 dragon, 7 dragon. You hear that? And she just reel up. You get me? And I say, yo, done and real. So I say, no pussy, run back. I run from the 7-head dragon, you see me? And she lie down on her back and I say, baby, me don't have sex like that. You get what I mean? A straight back shot, you see me? You hear that? Yeah, man. And I say, girl, I go on like so.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, so there you have it, the man himself explaining what have happened and why it happened. You know, it was so bad that they had to call the police, and they arrived on the scene, viewers and subscribers. Alright, so right about now, I am about to play the video so that you can have a better understanding. And I said this video is somewhat closer to the beginning of the whole incident. In this video, the man was seen arguing with the female that is said to be a prostitute, and it is said that she had something in her hand that seems to be a knife, and it is said that the man was naked as well. Now, before I show you this video, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in this video, it is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Observe.
Dirty Keisha. Dirty Keisha. I'm a pay for that. I mean, pussy have to run. I mean,
Run the picture, me a bad man.
I mean, you know we are bad people. Pussy have to run. Pussy have my money.
Hey, make it stop me. No,
Pussy have my money back.
give me my 5 blood clot, but if you get my one.
I mean, take the pussy right. That's okay.
And you not going to have problem for my money with people. Get to stop me. For money, I'm boss on me. Hey, girl, you don't know what I want to do, you know. Call police. Give me my money. Go feed,
You give me money?
Oh, you mean 5 grand?
Take it, where
7 grand, me give you.
Where
Me give you 2 grand to come pay the woman.
Hey, where you go? Man, the girl jump fence by my boss. Man, the girl jump fence by my boss. Come, pussy our money.
Well, there you have it, viewers and subscribers. I hope I give you a better idea on what had happened in the incident. Some people saying that this man got his fair share, but he was just taking things way more than it seems. Some people saying that this man is telling a lie, he's just protecting his reputation, and there's a whole lot of speculations due to recent events like this update right about now and so on, isn't it? So viewers and subscribers, you tell me what you think. Is it that he's telling the truth or not? What really do you think had happened? As you hear, certain things was mentioned that he got stabbed and all these things. You know, but anyways, you don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers. I'm only here to keep you up to date and post it, so tell me what you think. And as always, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?